How to allow TikTok to send you notification about people you may know on TikTok. Today guys, I will show you how to turn on this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First you will just go to TikTok, then open it. After this, when your TikTok is open, you just have to go down to profile, open profile, then go to this three line here, click on it, then go to settings and privacy. After this, you have to open notifications, and then when you open notification, you have just to go down and you will find people you may know. This option allow TikTok to send you notification about people you may know from contacts, and then you have to turn on and make it look like this, and that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next video.